Welcome back to our second game coverage for this morning. My name is Te Ahi Trotman and I'm sat here alongside
Tēnā koutou kua we woka tōku ingoa, tēnā tātou.
And we will now turn our attentions to the haka.
We have a pakanga about to go down between Tuhoe and ngā Puhi. Under 18s Kotiro. For Tuhoe, we have Cavell, Heat Uatuku, number 1. Number 2, we have Ricky Fitzgerald. Number 3, we have Miracle Monga. Running in the number 4 jersey, we have Vineta, Manu, Number 5, we have Rhiannon Kohunui. Number 6, we have Fino Mafi. Number 7, we have Tikwan Teina Kore. Number 8, we have Waitarehu Ormsby. Number 9, we have Te Wairere Te Moana. Number 10, we have Kimoana New Palo. And the number 11 jersey, we have Helena Dubel. Number 12, we have John Ana Holani. Number 13, we have Taylor Manu Pim. On the bench, we have Te Hukatai Moana, Brian Kameta. We have Riley Hitua Tuku, Waimaria Boro, Briar Tihi, Niana Tumaiheta, Arita, Mauri Ohoho, Paikau, Hene Pukohurangi, Gillespie.
And on ngā Puhi at the fullback, we got Fiona Wira. On the wings, left wing, Angel Lolohea. Right wing, Shay Shadrock. In the centres, Samaria Kaipo, Raiwaka Wikitori at Sipene. In the halves, we got Kurateite o Te Rangi, Martine and Destiny mixed it. In the front row, we got Ambaruka, Kenya Watene and Maya Crutcher at number 9. In the forward packs, we got Paris Tohu Wilson, Wisdom Williams, and blocking the scrum, we have Harmony Kovacic. On the bench, we got Leonie McDonald, Aroha Ellis, Erica Hewitt Martin, Leonie Vincent, Waiora Mamai Te Kapua Wall, Gina Marie Tepa, and Harmony Patuai. This is going to be a cracker of a game.
Te ka tonu tāu, and already we have a short kick, and ngā Puhiahi have managed to get the ball. No reira he kakari kei te haere, tēnei wātonu. We have a scrum. Ngā Puhiahi feed.
And Ngāpuhi have a prime chance here to get some points on the board. 30 metres out, and they've made a meal of it already. Referee allows it, went back, but still they're out on the attack. 30 metres out from the line. They shove it left, attacking the edges. And good cover defence there from Tuhoe. And they go through the hands of the halves. Now they find a big front rower who takes it forward. Requires demanding of 2 defenders. Out of dummy half, they go right again. Through the hands. They got numbers out here if they can keep coming this way. She's going to use the speed. Steps past the fullback. And number 12, Wisdom Williams, crosses over for the first try of the game. Ngā Puhiahi strike first. E hoa. Analyse that try.
The movement of the ball is really what got them there to the open space. Nice, good control through the hands of Ngā Puhiahi.
And big ups to One Foundation for showing us the replay there. It was a great try. And the conversion kick will be lined up by none other than Kurateite o Te Rangi Martine, right in front. The kick is successful, so Ngā Puhiahi take a 6-point lead. Start the game off hard and fast. Ngā Puhiahi 6, Tuhoe 0.
Bit of confusion I see around where the halfway was. Started to set up at the 40 there.
Oi hoa mā, this is not the NFL, this is not American football. This is Māori Rugby League. The 21st annual tournament held here in Te Rotorua Nui a Kahumatamomoe at the International Stadium. And Tuhoe will get us back underway. Not a deep kick, but it's very shallow. Picked up by Ngā Puhiahi, and they go to the forwards. Huge run, gets him about 30, and it's come out. Anei, huge opportunity for Tuhoe Rugby League. Ngā Tamaiti o Te Kohu to get on the board here. Oh,
good work
what
from
a
our
tackle.
markers. Good work from our 8 defenders.
Wrapped up around the legs of number 8.
And our D-line's moving. Some good communication happening in that defence there.
Look at this 4-man defence. Just coming out in numbers now, ngā Puhi. And they're going to go left. Here they go. They go back the other way. Number 11 marked here as Helena Dublé. Oh, a bit of confusion there. And the referee calls it forward. Bit of a strange call there from Makaiwawa. Although it come off her hip, he calls it forward.
Anō nei, ko te kupu Māori mo te scrum e karema, ko te kakari, o nonoke. O reira he nonoke, he kakari kei te haere, o ta ngā pui ahi feed.
And ngā
We
Puhi
take the
ahi.
blind.
Take it out of the scrum. They're looking for the left flanks. Can't quite find it there, but they make a short run. Second tackle now, and you see that rain in the background of your screen. It's really slowed down a bit from this morning. The rain woke me up this morning.
Good organisation, good passing of the ball. Movement of the ball.
They're looking to shove it right. Here they go. They're looking for the flanks again. Here goes the winger, number 5.
We managed to stay in the field.
Shay Shadrock, good job to stay in field there. They go left off the play the ball. The centre, Wikitoria Tipene, is marked down here. Oh, it's a handover. It was last tackle. Players not listening to the Kaiwawao there. Kaiwawao, referee.
We complete the set, but we didn't quite get to a kick.
Oof. Good tackle
Shy
around
of the
legs.
40.
She's allowed to run.
Great carry. Love all the support defense here from ngā Puhi ahi.
And here goes Tuhoe. That's 4th tackle, I think. And they're just shy of 40 metres out of the line. And the back row is allowed to run. Now referee calls last tackle. Tuhoe, bit of a 20-30 metre set. Not bad. As they shove it out right. After left wasn't working. She puts boot to ball. Look at the chase.
Find some space.
Oh, and that's going to be knock on for ngā Puhi. It's accidental offside. Knock on ngā Puhiahi and Tuhoe. A great chance to get some points on the board. Just 15 metres out from ngā Puhi's line.
Anō nei, he kakari he nonoke. With a Tuhoe feed.
And they will pack the kakari after that taka whakamua. Knock on, taka whakamua. And they will feed the scrum. 12 or so metres short of the line. They come out left off the back of the scrum. Allowed to run. Oh, that's an unfortunate pass. She should have held on to the ball there. And once again, Tuhoe blow. A huge chance to put points on the board. They're going to bring it out left. They go through the hands. Referee calls high, offside. They take the quick tap. She gains a whole lot of metres.
Great carry of the ball.
Beautiful
Taylor
carry.
Manu Pim. We're going right.
Oh, and they've dropped the ball too. And as you can see, that wet weather
Drop off
football
was
here in
quite
Rotorua
successful.
getting to the players. The ball's slippery. And highly unfortunate for both teams to drop the ball there in consecutive plays.
Kakari anō kei te haere. Tuhoe feed. Scrums being fed by Leone.
And off the back of the scrum, big run by number 13, Harmony. Aroha mai. Taylor Manu Pim off the back of the scrum. Reading the wrong side. Aroha mai, Tiwi, don't attack me. And Tuhoe running it out to the right, just shy of 10 metres to go. And I think that's second, third tackle. Hard and straight run, that's the kind of authoritative running you're going to want from your big men. And they bring it out left. Dummy, double pump, she's dropped the ball again. And Puhi, they got space here. They make it out to the 10.
Tuhoe really need to focus on ball security.
And another good 10-yard dash.
We won't want to be spending too much time under these defence sets.
Tuhoe, their halves need to really control the game. Oof. As the number 8 for Tuhoe drags her down. Number 13, I should say. And another big tackle by Tuhoe. Two-man tackle. That's third tackle or fourth. They take it out of dummy half.
Blind.
She stays in field.
Does a really good job of staying in field.
Fourth tackle now. They shift it right. Ngapu still in their own half. Ball slips through the hands, goes back. And there it is, picked up by Tuhoe. First tackle, now they're in their own half. They need to capitalise on the set. They run it out of dummy half. That's the number... Namarua, Toru. And again a big tackle. Tuhoe need to get a bit of momentum. Need to swing. Oh, and they've dropped it. That's the opposite of what you want if you're the coach from Tuhoe. And they will pack another kakari.
Really holding on to their ball security and completing the sets is going to benefit our side here, Tuhoe.
Aye.
And it just comes down to a back and forward game where somebody's got to let go. But we're not completing sets out here, and we're losing the ball. And so if Tuhoe can get that together, we'll really start seeing some progress here. But they're in good field position.
And they're going to swing it out right. They got space here. The winger was dropped too far back. Can she get through? She nearly makes it through there. She sees a half a gap and runs for it. That's what you want. Spaces, not faces. As you see there, big cruncher tackle. Good job to hold on to. And they're coming back out left. Through the hands of the halfback. There's a huge run by number 13, Harmony.
Great tackle there by Leone.
And the halfback, oh, they've dropped the ball. Paris Tohu Wilson. Unfortunate not to hold it there. And as you can see, still the wet weather footy getting to them out there.
Not to mention the amount of fatigue that comes with ngā tūmomo whakataitai.
Ai ngā whakataitai a weekender. Back-to-back days consecutive playing tournament. Each team gets about 4 games a weekend. As you see here, Tuhoe out the back of the scrum. They're going to spread it. They got space here. One more pass. Oh, she was through. One more pass.
And we make it over the 50.
Gets crunched for her troubles.
Ooh.
Oh, terrible
from the
feed out of
markers.
dummy half. Whew! Huge
Crunching
tackle there.
tackles.
And that's what you like to see. If you're a fan of the game, you like to
Great
see
carry
big
of the
tackles
ball.
like that. Tuhoe. They're on the attack here. They're on the prowl for more for points. She stays in field. Tackle 4. They go out of dummy half. They go right. They swing the ball. And she comes back to the left-hand side of the field. 5th tackle now.
This young girl Leonie here has really been involved.
Murphy puts the kick in. Oh, it's a poor bounce. Oh, and they've dropped it. Referee calls a knock on. Here's a chance for Tuhoe. They need to hold the ball. Real
Great
good
set.
chance.
Got to the kick, put the pressure on, and we come away with some
A
results.
kick from female Muffy. Really got to them. And poor Angel Lolo here out there. Unable to hold the ball. Thank you all for tuning in again at the iwi to this game between Ngā Puhi and Tuhoe. Both real passionate iwi and looking to pick up the win
This is
here.
in the centre of the field. We're moving to the left.
They're coming to the left here. Big don't argue. She gets wrapped up eventually.
Luckily send it to the left again.
And they're going to go for a dart out left. She's over.
Oh, she battles for it. Oh, she manages to
Oh,
get
she
it
puts
to
the ball
ground.
down. Referee points at the spot.
Fido.
And Tuhoe get on the board. After continuously attacking that side, they finally score and get over the
We'll
line.
have our one foundation replay.
They were scored by number 3, Miracle Monga. Shown on our One Foundation replay. Thank you again to them. But Miracle Monga gets on the board first for Tuhoe Māori Rugby League.
And she will also convert her own try. Just outside of the 20 here.
Looking to even the game.
Yeah, just looking back on that set there, previous to the try. Team really managed to get to the end of the set. That kick, put the pressure on the kick. Come away with a result there. Come away with a scrum. On the back of that scrum, really set us up to be able to come through
Aye.
and come away with a try.
And at the iwi, if you're not doing anything today, come down to Rotorua International Stadium. I know you're not doing anything tomorrow. It's a long weekend. So if you're in the town, no mai haere mai. We're at the Rotorua International Stadium once again for the 21st Māori Rangatahi Rugby League tournament as referee blows half time on the game. And Ngā Puhi go to the break with just a 2-point lead, but momentum is on Tuhoe's side. Ngā Puhi 6, Tuhoe 4.
Whenua atu I Ngā te lira patu
Me hoki whenua mai Ano kua pari ngā pai E karanga
nau hoki anō mai tātou, ki tō tātou whakataitai. He pakanga, tēnei, Wainganui, ia Tuhoe, ia Ngā Puhi ahi, with a score, Ngā Puhi 6, Tuhoe 4. Ko awe wōka tōku ingoa, and I'm joined here with...
Kia ora te iwi, ko te ahi ka Trotman tōku ingoa.
And we'll get our second half underway with Tuhoe kicking Ngā Puhi ahi on the receiving.
And Ehua, how did you think that first half played out for Ngā Puhi?
Yeah, it was a little bit messy for both sides with a couple of mistakes in the ball, on the ball. But in particular, I like the way that Tuhoe really pulled themselves together towards the end of that half, managed to complete a set, and then come away with some results there.
And Ehua, if you're the coach of Ngā Puhi, what are you telling your girls right now, since all the momentum is in Tuhoe's favour?
Yeah, well, just staying in. This is a game where it becomes a mentality thing. Both teams are doing some really great things out there and holding the fundamentals. And it just comes down to really who's going to let go first and where we're going to benefit on...
Kia ora. There's an intercept here. Number 12. And they're going to shove it out left. Tuhoe hot on the attack. They're only down by 2 points. And that's a very, very close game here. And they've dropped the ball. As we've seen numerous times here this morning, the weather football getting to all the players here today.
Yeah, this weather's really going to put our team into safety. Can't afford to be throwing around too many passes, especially if we're unsure.
Yeah, quite unfortunate there to lose the ball just as you're hot on the attack for another try.
He kakari. Ngā Puhi ahi feed. Return heads left. And we're just on the 20 metre. Ooh, and it's met. Number 13 met with some solid defence, but number 6 too high. Number 16, good solid carry. Making sure she's got good security of the ball. Great to see. Throwing the ball around a little bit out to the right hand side. And we'll be coming back into the centre of the field, no doubt. Oh, has a go at the back of the ruck. Hoping to catch somebody snoozing there. Heading back to the centre of the field with a kick. Oh, no way.
And since we got the time here, Whānau, thank you to everyone who's tuned in, joined at home, who are unable to be here. Thank you for your support to your pepi, to your kaitākoro. It's massive seeing all the major support. Ngā mihi anō. As we see here, Tuhoe trying to run it out of their own half. Was not a bad set there from Ngā Puhi ahi to get it out of their own half, but
good chase from our markers.
Yeah, Mark doing a really good job here, being very disciplined. And there's a big run from Nia Palau.
Love how Tuhoe took advantage there. Noticed that the marker had already done quite a bit of work, so took advantage of that and managed to sneak past the marker there.
And as I read the names here, don't know her personally, but number 10 for Tuhoe, Kimwana Nia Palau. She's another one who used to play for Rotorua rugby league side. She used to play for Central Rotorua. Ooh, and I'll tell you, she's a hard one to put down. She's bowled me and my mates over a few times. And I'm damaging out there for Tuhoe. There's Ngā Puhi get a penalty here.
So now 40.
And it's a great spot to start your set if you're Ngāpuhi. And they've got the penalty holding on too long.
Tuhoe really got to start listening to the ref.
Oh, what a run!
Great carry here from
Great
Harmony.
collision there. That's what you want if you're a rugby league fan. And look, they're going to spread it out right. Oh! Bit of a hospital ball there from our number 16 out there for Ngāpuhi. And out of dummy half. Tepa at dummy half now at acting half. She comes left. Through the hands. That's knocked back.
Got Harmony on the ball.
Kura teitei o te rangi, not much room to move there.
Oh. Puhi ahi struggling through this period of rain. He kakari kei te haere with a Tuhoe feed.
Anō e te whānau, our kupu Māori o te ata, kakari is another word for scrum.
Who do we have feeding our Tuhoe scrum? So number 14.
And here they go off the back of the scrum. They're going to spread it right. Got room to move there. Big don't argue. Right hand, right hand.
Iarai atu.
Beautiful run there from Finau Muffy. And they've got the penalty.
Offside.
Unfortunate there for Ngāpuhi. But yeah, that was a great run down the touchline from Finau Muffy. Two big right hands. Ārai atu. Kupu Māori for fend. And they're going to start the set 35 metres out. 5 tackles to go. They want to spread it left. Big run there. That's what you want from your forwards. Waitarihu Ormsby. She in a dummy half. They go left. Left again. Runs it hard and straight. Straightens up the offence.
Good strong defence.
Ngāpuhi on their feet. And Finau goes to the other side of the field. Another run. She's dropped the ball. Good defence from Ngāpuhi.
Turnover.
Unfortunate.
Hoki mai ana Ngāpuhi ahi. Whakatere. I tērā pī ki o mako tēnā.
And out of dummy half. Oh! And te kaiwawa ka karanga, kua taka whakamui te poro. Anei, another shot for Ngai Tuhoe to get over the line. Possibly take the lead here.
Ngāpuhi ahi will really benefit from some ball security here, not throwing the ball around too much, especially in your red zone. Tuhoe feed. We have Taylor Manupim with a strong carry. Really wrestling to get to the feet. Ooh.
They're going to bring it left. Huge straight up the guts.
Big strong run.
And they are no straight up the guts. And it's a penalty to Ngāpuhi. And they hold out once again. Look at this resistance defense from Ngāpuhi ahi. Stefano
return.
just over 16 minutes to play in the game.
Good strong run from our number 4 here from ngā Puhi ahi. Wikitoria Tipene.
And they're going to try run it straight up. That's tackle 2 now.
Great run here from Amber Ruka, and we are caught offside again. Oh no, up high. Quick
And,
tap. Return.
Once again, it iwi aroha mai mo te aroha mai of the sound. All the graphics are a bit mixed up, just having technical difficulties. And here they go, Ngā Puhi out the wing. Oh, she couldn't hold on to the ball. If she had caught that, they had a major opportunity to get over the line. Very unfortunate for Ngā Puhi. Tuhoe bailed out there. And it was number 16, Erica Hewitt-Martin, I think. And they will pack another kakari. Very unlucky. The try was on.
Kakari anō, Tuhoe feed.
But I think if-
feeding Te Hukatai, Moana. And on the back we have number 13, Taylor Manu Pim. With that strong run there. Setting us up.
And I think if you're Ngā Puhi, you're gonna want to keep trying that, because that play was on. And they might even score some points off the back of it. But right now, Tuhoe, full set, trying to get out of their own half.
Good solid run there from Waitarehu Ormsby.
And there's another massive
To the
run.
left of the field.
Number
Probably stay in
12,
tight there to the left. Oh no, we're swinging back to the right.
Fino brings it back in.
Making our way back to the centre.
And once again, they come right.
Te Hukatai Moana with the ball.
Fino puts a kick over the top, bounces over the opposite number 6, and it's picked up by Fiona Wera, the fullback for Ngā Puhi. And the rainfall is heavy here in Rotorua. Ranginui unforgiving. Kei te heke ngā roimata. As we near the end of the game. Just over 12 minutes to play. That rainfall is crazy.
I really need to start completing some sets here with this Ngā Puhi Ahi team.
Here's another chance for Tuhoe. They need to hold the ball. They need to get to the end of the set and possibly put an attacking kick in, or even get the set restart.
Te Hukatai Moana with the feed to the scrum. And we attack to the left.
And once again, they go left.
Opportunities
They got
here.
numbers.
Good draw
She
and
didn't
pass.
look out.
Good settle here. And we have drawing back to the centre of the field. Nice strong carry here by our number 8, Waitarehu Ormsby.
Yes, Ehua, you said it best. Excellent ball skills by both of these teams, especially in this horrendous weather.
Hammering tackles. Ooh.
And we have man down. They come right once again.
Nice
Ane,
quick, strong
good
carry.
offload. They're
Out
over
to
in the
right.
corner. She can
We
get
tuck
there.
back in.
Oh,
Ooh,
unfortunate.
just short of the line.
Out
Opportunity
of dummy
here.
half. She won't quite get over, held up. She'll take it back out to her own 10, to her 10. And that
now and
was...
again, those attempts pay off, but trial line fever sometimes is...
Wairere Te Moana trying to get it in there. Here's another big run. Waitarehu Ormsby. Ormsby plays the ball. Here's Te Moana. She goes left. Fino. Oh, nearly drops it. And once again, they'll come right. They have the space here. They have numbers. She tried to put in the kick. Unfortunate.
Oh yeah, well, I was calling somebody else on the other side of the field. Waitarehu might have 2 number 8s on this Tuhoe team.
Ooh.
What's going on here? Yeah, hika.
Either that or just she's everywhere. Huge tackle there by Bryant.
It's a good point. It could possibly be the mahi horse of the team.
Takes her high, ref doesn't call it. Bit of a suspect tackle. The
Doesn't
weather
make the
is
ground manages
absolutely...
to stay on the feet.
The weather is
Still
terrible
moving.
here in Rotorua. She's eventually... oh no! You don't like to see that.
What's the ref score? Knock on.
Knock on and we'll pack another kakari. One of our players.
Opportunity here for Tuhoe. Good field position. Scrum.
And once again at the whānau, you can see on the top left of your screen, Ngā Puhi 6, Tuhoe 4. Just under 10 minutes to play. This is a close game. Most of the game's been played down here in Ngā Puhi's half. And Tuhoe haven't been able to capitalise. Could that change right here off the back of the scrum? Manu Pim. Taylor Manu Pim gains him about 10 metres. Te Moana at dummy half. She shoves it left. They come back out. Come back to the centre of the field. And Fino plays the ball. Out of dummy half. They go short.
Feed it right into
Trying to get the space. Offload. Another offload. Ormsby
right
gets
to
it
the wall.
away.
Yes!
Bryant Carmet, the cross is over.
What? Piro!
Tuhoe crossed the line as shown here on the One
One
Foundation replay. The Tuhoe Ngāta Maiti o te kohu, they go up by
Watches
2
this
points.
Number 10 draws in a few tacklers.
Couple of offloads get them over the line. That one there. And they will look to convert to put them ahead by 4. Not that long to play it there. We just under 8 minutes left. A lot of time for Ngā Puhi to come back in the game. Tuhoe hold a 2-point lead. The kick's short. It will stay an 8-6 game. Under just over 7 minutes to play. Tuhoe hold a 2-point lead. And we can see the offload from Nia Palau. Put the number 14 Bryant Kamita over the line. And yes, just over 6 minutes to play. Ngā Puhi will look for a short kick-off here, hopefully get the ball back in good field position. Fiona Wira with the kick. As called, she kicks it short. What a take from the try scorer. And she chucks it up in hopes of finding Ormsby, and she does. Waitarehu Ormsby plays the ball. They bring it right. Here goes to Maiheta. Waitarehu and Kimoana Nia Palau Great work also as we see there once again. Ormsby everywhere. And at the final, if I had to choose a player of the game, I know who I'm taking. He calls the pass forward. Oh, that's unfortunate for Tuhoe there, but ngā Puhi can they capitalise. And here go ngā Puhi, running it out of their own half. Great run. First tackle, they're on the 50. And ngā Puhi spreading it out right. They have numbers there if they look. Fiona Wheeler gets tackled down. Tackle 2 now. Ngā Puhi hot on the attack. Can they hold the ball and get to the end of the set? That's the real question. And there's another big run by number 4, Vineta Manu. Been quiet this game. And they bring it back left. Huge run by the number 8. She's got through them nearly. And they're going to come left again. Short pass. They got numbers if they can find it. Cut out ball. Shadrock's taken out. Good defense by the right edge of... And there we as we're nearing the end of the game. Ahakoa it says under 4 minutes to play in the game. We are playing to the referee's time, which may or may not be different depending on the stoppages of the game, as we see one right here. And there's a man down, number 5 for Ngā Puhi. You don't like to see injuries like that. And since we got the time here at Tewi, our kupu mo te rā, hoia tō waka, which means go hard. Rere Tewi, if you want to chant on your tamaiti here at the Whutupō Riki tournament, you shout out at the top of your lungs, hoia tō waka. As we're going to pack another kakari here in this game, the wet weather football really getting to the players out there. Ref calls time back on. Bryant feeds the scrum. Here they go, number 13 off the back of the scrum. She gains not that much. That was Taylor Manu Pim. And out of dummy half again. Tuhoe need to find their go forward. They've gained about 12 metres in 2 tackles. There we go, that's a better run. And that's 3rd, 4th tackle now. Just still inside their half. Fino off the cut. Here's a strong run, nearly gets the offload away. Couldn't quite punch it. Yep. Final tackle. Fino puts boot to ball inside her own 40. They let it bounce. Is it going to be a 40-20? Oh, they nearly went out. Ngā Puhi now need to get out of their own half. Huge wrap-up tackle there by number 2, Ricky Fitzgerald. Referee calls penalty. And the tap, she's out the gates fast, gains about 10. Lolohea. As shown on your monitor there, Just over a minute to go. Could differ. Puhi now hot on the attack. They're going to swing it left. They're going to carry on that way. Good ball over there by the number 13, the huge lock. Again, they bring it left. Attacking that flank. She holds the ball. Now they're going to look to go back infield. Oh, what a tackle. The ball's come loose. Tuhoe rugby league ball. And they're going to want a safe set here, Tuhoe. Hold the ball, kick the ball down to the corner. There goes the full-time siren. Referee blows full-time on the game. And that will do us in an amazing arm wrestle game here in Rotorua. Tuhoe take out the win. Tuhoe 8, Ngā Puhi 6.